Hi to all, I'm Joel John. I have a YouTube channel and I wrote a book as well. And I was working earlier with call center. And at that time, I was in the sales division as well. That's the first time I got into LinkedIn. So it was like I was having my own LinkedIn account and my manager found to bring in some connections for what we are selling was for an IIT club membership. So it should be directors of it too. So I said I don't have any connection, find it out. So I searched and pulled out some people that was started. And after that I put to other companies and at that time for interviews they asked about LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I said I don't know, so I used LinkedIn. I went for the interviews. And they said like if you have 1,000 connections of your targeted audience, if you connect with all them to messages, one LinkedIn will block you. Or you will be getting one sale out of the 1,000 people. So from that time, I was searching for some LinkedIn course. I found one, but that was a combo course, like LinkedIn plus NPL. And I don't have any other choice because I haven't come across any other LinkedIn ad. So I joined that. But it was really a lot of learning was there. And after that, I found this ad of growth mode. And it was very impressive. And I enrolled for the course. It's really good. I think even AI is what is included a little bit. AI, which is used by for LinkedIn, is also included. So it's a really good course. And I didn't even know that there is a gathering like this. So this is more, beyond expectation. For by purchasing an online course and having an offline gathering with the interested people of the, you know, the online course bundles. So like I am too happy about selecting this course. And another one thing is how you can collaborate with me is on my YouTube channel. I record videos about where you can introduce about yourself, your book, your business or something. So that I will record it for 30 minutes and publish it on my YouTube channel. That's one way you all can collaborate with me. All my books are available on Amazon, Flipkart and Ziffybees. There also you can purchase my book and learn from that. It's about converting your thoughts. We come across a lot of thoughts every day, right? Converting it into a social media content, then using monetized platforms like YouTube, so that you can generate income out of it or write it as a book, so that you can passive income grow your life. So that's the concept of my book. So that's the two I have to offer. I have as my business offering to the society. And apart from that, one thing I like to say that benefited from this after joining this course, I put a was they putting me as author and self-employed on Cities. It is owned by e-commerce website, is owned by our publisher, Cleverbox. So I just put that on LinkedIn and I got about 4,000 impressions. This is the first time I got about 4,000. Usually max I get 700 or 800. And for when sharing other job placement ads will be there, right? There maximum in 1 year, but after it will go from there about 3,000. That's the which I used to check the history of the entire year most of something. That's what I have experienced for about some, I think I am in LinkedIn for about some 19 more years. As I got introduced to LinkedIn by my school friends, I used it like just like a Facebook on the initial page. But after joining the school, when I put this, as my new role, I got about 4,000 impressions within a week.
Okay.
The highest ever I got. So I'm so happy about that. And thanks for you.
Great, Joel. Thank you. Thank you.